Nandito tayo sa hood ni Kuya Topet. Kuya Topet Vera, I'm gonna shout your name out, okay? Luckily, I will have to finish this successfully. Today I'm here now in your hood. Back in 1997, San Juan, Manila. Shout out to you, Kuya Topet. DJ Master Shack, y'all. We in the city of Saints. Shoutout dun sa wannabe writer na tumitira pa sa akin ng ewan ko. Kailan ka naging graffiti writer, Holmes? I haven't seen a single crop that you did. Come on, man.